We will continue our discussion on the joy of x equated to of mathematics from 1 to infinity. Today we will talk about pi. Actually, the idea of pi is relates to the circle. It is a ratio between diameter and circumference. Okay, circumference is pi into diameter. That is why pi. If you are careful thinking, you may read about something. How do we know that pi is the same number for all circles? Could it be different for big circle and little circle? The answer is no, but that proof is not here. Here is an intuitive argument. Imagine using a photographer to reduce the image of a circle by say 50%. Then all distance in the picture, including the circumference and the diameter, would shrink. So the ratio remains same. So the ratio, of course, this is not how big. Okay, now we can try to estimate pi. Basically, we have tried having a coin. You can having a thread. You can measure the circumference and see that is somewhat closer to 3. Okay, but now what is similarly area of the circle is pi r square. This can be explained. This is our area can be considered like this. The circles can be broken into 4. Then it will become like this. The circumference in the pi r into r. Similarly, we can keep on breaking the number of segments, and finally it will become much thinner and thinner. So finally it will, in the limit, it will become a rectangle. Pi r is the circumference, r is the radius, pi r square. Now I want to again come to the how to estimate pi. So Archimedes gave this idea that the circle is inscribed polygon inscribe a polygon and then naturally the circumference is greater than the perimeter. Now you keep on increasing the number of the sides and making the side smaller. Okay, that will be finally it is like an infinite polygon with zero infinitesimal side. Each circle. That is its limit. The limit, a polygon with infinite side and infinitesimal size is the circle. But now what happened is you can inscribe a hexagon within and you can have a hexagon outside covering the circle. So that it become the pi value become a bounds. You get the bounds. Okay, then use the Pythagorean theorem to work out. Basically, this is the key idea. Archimedes used a similar analogy to he replaced a circle with a polygon with many straight sides and kept doubling the number of sides to get a perfect order. But rather than settling for an approximation of infinity, he mathematically bounded pi by sandwiching the circle between inscribed and subscribed polygons. This is the key idea. Okay, so he got the idea and he could get such estimates. Okay, now with computers we get better experiments. Okay, so that is how pi was tackled. Okay.